Alright, well, there might be some background noise because I've got the house fan on. It's hot as heck, and it's 2:30 in the morning. It's kind of cool out there, but anyhow, here is another JVC, Japan Victor Corporation. This is an S-VHS. Nice. This is an HR-S5400U. And I don't have any information other than the customer's name basically on it. And taking a look at the back of this unit, it does have the S video, separated video, where the luma and the chroma, or luminance and chrominance, are separated. Has the JLIP jack, some kind of a synchronization between other JVC units. Standard composite video in and out. Pause special function. Cable box controller, which was all the rage in basically the mid-90s to mid-2000s. And then simple NTSC in and out connectors here. And oh, look at that. Refurbished. This equipment has been refurbished by who? I have no idea, but there is the model tag. And oh, sorry about the focus. I have it in manual. Okay, so that should be much more crisp. Anyhow, taking another look at the jacks. There you go. All right, screw missing. I'm not sure if it was ever populated or not, but let's go ahead and get the top off real quick. Well, this thing is certainly a busy machine. There's a lot going on in here. Got a little stand-up board over here probably for the Super VHS portion. And power supply caps all look good. I don't see anything bulge over here at all. Main filter cap and the snubber cap look good. This one has, interestingly, had the modification done to it already that I just did on another unit. Let me see if I can get it focused in on that. Where the clip is broken off and someone has attached the spring to the inner portion again, right there. That's funny, I just did a video like an hour ago on the same exact problem. I may have worked on this one in the past. I don't know what's going on with this. All I have is the customer's name and phone number. So heads feel good, not a lot of use. Yeah, let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Get the cord unraveled here, and it has a zip tie around some of it, but that's okay, it will reach. Okay, here we go. AC power being applied in 3, 2, 1, on. Okay, it does something. That's great. Let's pop a tape into it and see if it wants to munch it or try to play it, and if it spills it, whatnot. And it is taking the tape up perfectly. Let's see if it times out. And nope, it's working fine. It's been past the 10-second mark at least. Okay, capture device. One moment, please. Okay, capture device recording in 3, 2, 1, capture. Nope, sorry. Gotta put a memory stick in. Hang on. Alright, let's try that again. Capture device recording in 3, 2, 1, capture. And it shows it is recording. Yeah, there you go. It's playing fine. I don't get it.
Here's some fast food.
Let me see if the channel buttons double as tracking buttons on this unit.
Corner where Bonda's was, and I wasn't taping.
It's taco time. So we must be getting back close.
I'm thinking not. I don't see tracking buttons. I'd like to try to adjust the tracking. But nevertheless, it is actually playing. Let's go ahead and stop it and test rewind first. That's good. Stop. Fast forward. Stop. Perfect. Play. It's working great. Okay, let's try an SLP tape. And maybe we just need to give this thing a cleaning and give it back. Gives the tape back perfectly, no problem whatsoever. SLP tape going in, 6-hour tape. And I'm not getting anything. I hear sound. Get nothing on, there we go. Maybe it's just got a clogged video head. Play. No, there's playing. What the heck? Playing just fine. Let's stop and rewind this one back a little bit to get off of the potential issue video. There should be commercials about here.
Little Mommy shopping cart has 3 ways to play.
And it appears to be playing perfectly fine. I don't really see any issues with this whatsoever. I don't get it. Why is this thing here? It accepts the tape, it ejects, it fast forwards, it rewinds. I'm not going to try to record. No one really records. And I think the customer would have left me a note that it will not record if they want it to record for some reason. But the video quality is great for a 6-hour VHS tape. I don't see any issues with it. Well, this is going to be a short little video. I think I'm just going to go ahead and clean it and give it back to the customer because I can't find anything going on with it. Seems to be working just great. Alright, we'll give it a quick cleaning and speed this up, and that'll be it. Once again, it's going to trigger people. Cotton swabs. So if you're easily triggered, please tune away now. So I think on this one I'll start on the video cylinder. Going down to almost where the heads are. Not touching the heads, I'm just cleaning the cylinder portion. Then we'll do the heads shortly. So, did get quite a bit off. I'm not liking that one. Okay, new cotton swab. Remember, when I'm cleaning the heads, I'm only using this portion right here. I'm not out here where the big ball of cotton is. And there's a hi-fi head. Give it a wipe down. So I'm cleaning the portion between the heads right now. There is the video head and another hi-fi head. And I believe this is going to be the flying erase head. Another video and the other hi-fi. And I've moved it back up once again, wiping the cylinder. Not too terribly bad. Not too bad at all. Okay, here we go. Fast motion. Okay, all cleaned up, ready to go. Capture device recording in 3, 2, 1. Capture. Power being applied. Power on to the unit. 6-hour tape going in. It's doing auto tracking. That looks good. No problem whatsoever. Stop, eject. Okay, 2-hour tape or SP tape going in.
Oh, the mountains are so good.
And that looks perfectly fine. I hear sound, everything's working great. Yep, sound's working great. So yeah, I'm just going to
I don't remember it being this pretty.
basically go ahead and give this thing back with just a simple cleaning, and if there's other issues, we will address them at that time. Just want to say thank you everyone for making it to the end of this video. I really, really do appreciate it. Go ahead and leave me a comment, a suggestion down below, good or bad, or try to respond when I have time. And while you're done there, if you could please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really does help my channel grow. Once again, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X at NorCal715. Email me, NorCal715videos@gmail.com. As of right now, still busy trying to get caught up. Haven't even had a chance to answer emails. It just takes so much time. You want to contact me, leave me a comment on one of the videos, because I do check those about every week and I try to respond when I have time. Everyone, thank you once again for making it to the end. I really, really appreciate it. Everyone have a great day. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.